Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, y'all? Good morning. Yo, boy, back.
What is that?
Shut the fuck up.
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga?
I gotta go home, but there is hella fucking traffic. I'm not doing that shit right now. Fuck no. I was gonna have the window down, but the sun is right on my face, bro. And I think it's on the camera too, so I won't fucking do it. Okay. I need to check if I can find the empty spot, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I need to check.
Just do.
That Civic right there, I've seen it before.
We do not care.
Does he want to run it? I don't think so. Nah, he don't want to run it. So how y'all motherfuckers doing?
One eternity later.
Are you guys ready? Oh my mama, that shit feels too good, bro.
few moments later. Stupid.
Fucking porch. Oh God, that's just beautiful. Oh, a Supra. Oh God, that's the shit I like about getting on the freeway, bro. That fucker looks cool. We cannot see it no more. Fuck. Bro, what the fuck is you doing? Is that a Jetta? What the fuck is this motherfucker doing? Can someone explain him? Can someone give me a chance? Just a chance. My heart, bro. My heart. Like, I'm kind of nervous because of that. For real, it felt like somebody was gonna crash into me. Especially the fucker in the back, bro. How the fuck this shit saving me traffic? I deadass don't understand. No Nintendo. No Nintendo. No entiendo, huele bicho. The fuck is this?
Calm down, Jamal.
Just trying to go home. I'm not even far away. And I still got 46 minutes. It's 30 miles, bro. Like, come on. 30 miles. I can do this shit in no time.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Wait a minute.
Get some help.
No te creo que acabas de estar haciendo daño.
A few moments later.
Ahorita te la levanto, ahorita. Vieja y pendeja, de paso.
That's gotta be racist.